everyone! So we are here in Makati City, dito sa Lubdi Building in Makati Avenue. At inside, ano ang pangalan ng restaurant ko? Teka muna. Sa Essential Goodness Restaurant, 13th floor. For an event, the Quaker. It's a Quaker Oats, oatmeal, yung brand na kinakain tuwing umaga. At sa mga kinakain ng mga sexy mommies. Also yung mga nag-diet. So yun, so let's check it out yun. Talagang kanilang offer ngayon taon na to para sa mga yung kumain oatmeal. Okay, footage, pasok.
And then you basically throw in the rest of the ingredients. So we have mushrooms, some shredded chicken. So if you have like leftover roast chicken in your fridge, this is how you can reuse it the next morning. Some cheese. You throw in the oats. These are Quaker quick cook oats. So a lot of you like to use the rolled oats. They believe it might be healthier because it's like, the fiber is more intact. But you can definitely use that. It just takes more time to cook. Alright, and now we take some sardines, which we're going to break apart a little bit. I don't know if you're like me, but you can eat everything in the sardine, but I like to remove the buto. For some reason, the texture tends to throw me off. So, a minute? Yeah. I'm going to check it out. Okay, see the middle is still raw. So you can mix it up a little bit more to make sure it really gets cooked. I don't want to mash it too much because I want the sardines to go. I want them to go. Chicken, mushroom, and cheese. So basically you mix everything together and then you throw it in the pan. I just put a little bit of oil. Oh shit. Really runny, but a little soft in the center. The outside well cooked, but the center a little bit runny. Pepper, and that's it. And if you feel it, it's a pretty dense omelette. It's heavy. So it will keep you full for much longer. Oats compared to white rice will keep you fuller really much longer because it absorbs water in your stomach and it expands and takes up more room. Cool, okay. Okay, then we put in the onions. And cooked potato. The onions are raw, the potatoes are cooked. And then pour everything again. Okay, let's try 2 minutes first. It's super yummy with a manchego. Dollop this over. And it has bacon, potatoes, cheese, and the egg and oats in it. So it's super quick, super easy, great snack for the kids, and they really enjoyed it. My sons tested it yesterday and they loved it. And my husband too. I didn't even tell him I made it in the microwave. I just left it there and then he's like, hey, it's really good. And I was like, oh, pass, perfect. Sure.
The 2 dishes.
Okay, I'm gonna put a bit more pasta.
Yes, please.
So I'm trying the Quaker Oats 2-minute Oatsilog, chicken and mushroom.
With it. Like another idea is you can make like a frittata. So you have the oats with the milk and the eggs, and then you put in like if you have leftover roasted vegetables from the night before, you know, and you put it all together and you cook it. And seriously, it's so quick and easy.
Tapos milk and oats. Sarap. masyadong madami
Eggs and
na
oats. Like, who would have thought,
Tama lang
right?
dapat.
Like, at first, I was skeptical. I was like,
What are you making?
Chicken. Chicken and mushroom. Parang omelette siya na
Let's see.
with
Fast.
oats. Quaker oats.
Works, no? And Bianca and Kelly. Yeah, that's garlic. Where's the garlic? Okay lang.
So I'll try yung
May
patata
dito lang
something
salt.
na gawa ni Sandra
Konting
Rocha.
salt lang.
Oh my God, for the first time ever, luto ni Sandra Rocha, matitikman natin. Oh my God, that's super fast!
No, leave it, let it cook. There's a lot going on.
Sarap ba?
The cream cheese. Well, someone's eating the cream cheese now. That's okay. I think that's okay with that.
So hopefully tama yung ginagawa ko, but I think I'm very confident na tama siya. I added much more oatmeal, soy sauce konti na lang. Siguro mamaya we'll add some mga dahon-dahon na yun na ita ko. We'll add that later. Pancake or omelette, but parang ganun-ganun ng mga oatmeals and egg na nilaluto na kasama yung chicken at yung mga ingredients. Okay, titikman na ni Gemma ng aking masterpiece. Okay na itlog? Pwede na? Kailangan lutuin ko pa na?
Pwede na.
Pwede na, no?
Kulang ng
Asin?
salt
Salt. Oh,
and
sige.
pepper.
Sige, sige.
Pero good na yung texture.
Oh, good na yung texture. Nice review. Pop na pop. Pop na pop na review kay Gemma Villanueva. Alright.
Yes, for recipes.
So here is aking chicken and mushroom oats. Yung masarap siya. So let's taste it kung okay siya.
Wala pa akong oats.
I'll try to chew the chicken. Panalo. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung aking lunch for this day.
So that's another plus point. So five people are gluten free.
Is this courtesy of your cooking?
No, 5 moms did it.
Am I gonna eat with this thing?
You can use the spoon if you want.
What about you on a mushroom?
Chicken, cheese, and mushroom.
We're not sure.
Okay, how is it?
5 moms, okay? Be careful.
5 months you don't know how to cook. Right?
Yeah.
Uy, masarap po natin
Okay.
And then we have to
Here's Gemma, kanyang sardines on a jar with oats and mushroom. Sardines and may mushroom. Social. Oatmeal yan and sardines. Ganon, Gemma, ganon. Hindi na maganda.
I-edit ko pa rin. Baka
Ito yung sa akin medyo, mas gusto ko yung medyo tostado, medyo sunog ng konti. Para nakita ko yung egg. Talagang luto. Yan. Sarap lang.
Yeah, here's one. It's actually a baby shower that.
Sarap, grabe. Sa Indian o Mediterranean na style. So yan. So ito, Quaker Oats. Instant oatmeal. Pwede rin yung isa, yung quick cook. You can use it. Parang first time ko lang na-encounter na you can do a lot of kinds of food using oats, no? Siguro sa bahay. Maybe I'll try this sa bahay para sa matikman naman ni Lace at ni Ashton. Dahil sila yung talagang marami kami stocks lang nito sa bahay. Dahil si Lace nag-workout, kailangan nito. So yun, so let's try it tomorrow and let's see kung ano pa magagawa natin recipe using Quaker Oats.
So
that's it guys. So sana gusto niyo aking video vlog feature for today. So kung gusto niyo magluto or gumawa ng mga quick snack, quick breakfast using Quaker Oats, marami palang okay na gawin, no? Like for example, you can add anything, kumbaga, the ingredients are limitless. Pwede kayo maglagay ng banana, sardines, or tapa, any leftover na meron kayo sa bahay. Uy, okay yun ha. Leftover ng mga pagkain, pwede natin recycle at using yung Quaker Oats, no? So, astig. Parang nakuha ko ng tip at bukas, out of town trip kami nila Lace at Ashton. We're going to San Benito Farm, Milipa, Batangas. And I think I need to pack a lot of Quaker Oats, no? Para sa aking meal. At ayun, nadagan na maraming sardinas para pack na pack ang ating pagkain. So, thank you guys for watching. So, sana may natutunan kayo. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Saan kaya tayo next, no? For food? I'm not sure. So, check nyo lang next week.